Hello everyone. So I want to take the opportunity to review some of the changes I've made on this project since we last saw each other. So there's a couple of things which are new here. For example, I've added a few more colors and styles here to this page. The colors for the different states in our weather application are clearly defined, and I've reviewed some of the other colors, which I may still do going forward. We also got a new overview page, which I've used it to organize all the screens that we have in the application. So these are all the individual different screens that we have, and it shows the whole scope of the project. And in interactions, we've got the actual, navigation between screens and how they should interact with each other. So things are a bit more organized here. There's also a couple of refinements in some of these components. So for example, in our list location item, I've now added the weather icon. So if we go to inspect this weather icon component, I've now got these different icons here that I can turn on and turn off as I want, and switch between some different weather presets here. So I can turn off cloudy, turn on sunny. So this will make it easier to customize these items between these screens. Also, this is a lot more responsive. So a few of these were fixed in our previous video about responsive layout. And the best of all, is that we got to do all of this while using the live preview, which is what I want to show you on this video. So if you download the app, the InVision app for your iPhone or Android, you can use this live preview feature and scan the QR code, and you can connect your device to the project that we are seeing and do changes and review them on your phone. So let's try it out. I've already downloaded the application and installed it on my iPhone. I've logged in with my InVision account. So now I will scan this code, and immediately it will start to pair my iPhone with the InVision Studio application. And now it will download the project into my phone. I can use the navigation between screens as we defined here in the Studio Interactions page. So what I want to do is looking at the screen right now, and maybe we should increase this text a bit further. If we go here and edit the master, we do some changes here on our screen. Let's say that we increase this to 80. No, but maybe a bit further. 95, 100, and let's take this, increase this to 35. So now let's go, I'm going to save this and go back, and I can see the changes on my phone immediately with no delay whatsoever. So with this I can experiment, do the necessary changes. For example, I can actually alter the way, if I don't like some of these transitions. For example, instead of using the push up, let me do the fade in, and immediately the transition changes, so I can preview this as I go along with no delay whatsoever. So this is a great way to test things in your phone immediately and see if the interactions are working as you planned or not. So that was everything that I wanted to cover on the live preview. It's very handy to use, and that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.